single morning. The same problem. I'm driving to the work every morning. Sorry guys, I need few seconds to get myself up. Every day. Beep, 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 beep. I must find a solution for that. Now I'm so tired. I want my music. I want a music in the morning, not a beep, a beep, a beep, a beep. No more, no more, no more mercy, no more mercy, no more mercy. One for you, one for you, and one for you. No more mercy. No more mercy. No more mercy. Leave me music. Leave me music. No mercy. Mwah! So people, for the end, be smart and use them safely. So use them only when you have some heavy load on the seat to prevent beeping. So yeah, I'm heavy load too. Till next time.